그래, 한 대 맞고 싶다는 거지? 딱 기다려.
Hi guys. Let's get into the heartbreaking Kanto 6, Wuthering Heights.
돌아와, 히스. 보랏빛 꽃만이 유일한 아름다움으로 남아있는
To the manor where the last vestige of its beauty remained in its violet flowers.
폭풍으로 뚫린 균열 사이로
To the
모든
manor
온기가
where its
빠져나갔던
storm-broken
그
bridge
저택으로
has siphoned all that was once warm.
너에게 삶을 내어준
To the
대신
manor that gave you not
모멸감과
only life
무너짐을
but also
안겨주었던
scorn and
그
desolation.
난로불 가운데가
To the
아닌
manor where
차가운
your place
모퉁이
was
어기만이 네
the frozen
자리였던
corner that
그
couldn't be further
저택으로
from the hurt
황야에서 돌아와.
eaten from the
이제
moss. It's time
집으로
for
올
you to
시간이야.
come home. To come home is him. So this is what Teacup's nest looks like. Yeah, it looks less colorful. We had surprisingly little trouble making it past the nest border. I guess my concerns were unfounded.
뭐 다행히도 이번 둥지 입국 심사는
Well,
별일 없이
somehow we made
넘어왔네요.
it through this nest checkpoint without any trouble.
아이, 이 정도야
It is
뭐.
nothing. Forces us
에이,
what
칭찬은
compliments
굳이 안
are
해도 괜찮다고
unnecessary,
하지
says
않았어.
I.
아무도 하지
But we
않았는데.
didn't say anything.
컸어 이제.
He's grown so much. Everyone seems awfully relaxed for having just entered a different nest. I guess everyone's gotten used to this by now. Humdrum routine, I guess they be the words to describe the general sentiment among listeners. Except for one, that is, who are headed to this place called Wuthering Heights next, right? I could tell from her cliff glum expression that his mind was weighed down by all kinds of complicated concerns.
그렇지.
Yeah. Though his eyes were staring at the moving scenery past the windows, his mind was affixed on something that his eyes could see, something that lay beyond the building walls.
오더링 하이츠라.
Wuthering Heights. So this place is where
무지하게 강한 바람이 불었던
we
집이었나
had
보죠.
to meet. That manor must have been built on one with the hill, huh?
그 저택은 바람이 지랄맞게
Yeah,
불었어.
bloody wuthering, like its namesake.
아늑한 구석은
Not a single
하나도 찾을
corner
수
of
없는
that place
곳이었지.
gave any comfort. The cliff was carried an unusually dark tone. The other seniors on the bar noticed this and began chatting.
고향에 당도한다니.
A return to
마음이
one's
참
homeland must bring
복잡하겠어.
forth quite the tangled mass of emotions.
고향이라
Homeland.
뭐
Well,
태어난 곳이 아니라
I wasn't
자라온
born here. I
곳이면
was raised here.
하긴
I
그것도
suppose that could
고향이라면
still count as
고향이겠지.
a homeland in a way,
근데
but it doesn't
보통
conjure
고향을
me in the
떠올리는
same
감정은
feeling
아니야.
that a homeland is supposed to. That is to say,
머릿속에선 수천 번
you have no
넘게
idea how many
상상했어.
times I imagined it, playing it out in my head, returning to
그러겠어.
that bloody manor,
모든 걸
smashing every
남김없이
thing in
부수고.
that place to bits until there is nothing left.
모든 걸 부숴서 그 다음엔 뭘 하려고 했는데요?
Okay, so you smash everything to bits, then
저를
what?
보고도 깨달은 게
Did you
없는 거예요?
really learn nothing from watching what I went through at the lake?
있어.
I did learn something.
일단 내가
If I
획가닥해서
ever lose
대셔버리기
the
직전까지
plot
가게
and push myself
되더라도
to the brink of
너희
no
중
return,
하나가
I trust that
어떻게든
one of you
끄집어내줄 거라는 거.
lots will pull me right out of it.
뭐 두들겨 패서라도
Are you giving us
꺼내달라는
permission to
건가요?
beat the sense back into you?
두들겨 패서라도
It's like it. Yeah,
그럴
if
필요가
that is
있어.
what it takes.
어디까지 허용이 되지? 신체
Interesting.
절단과 신경 조직
When not
손상 중
Interesting. How far are we allowed to go with bodily harm, amputation, mutilation?
머리 같은 데를
Maybe we can at
세게
least smack
쥐어박는
his head
정도는-
really hard.
아니 이 새끼들
Alright, you cheeky bastard.
나한테 쌓인 걸
Seriously, this
풀라는
ain't
의미가
an
아니라고.
invitation to use
지금
me as your
진지하게
emotional punching bag. I'm not in the mood to.
그래도 지금의 히스클리프
Still, I
씨라면
think your
잘
presence,
해내실 것 같다는
your
생각이
presence self
들어요.
can do this, Heathcliff.
뭔 소리야? 지금이라니.
What do you mean by presence self?
지금의 히스클리프 씨는
Heathcliff, your
가난하고
presence self
남은
is
게 아무것도 없잖아요.
deprived. You are poor and you don't have anything left.
뭐? 가난?
Poor.
이제는 아예 대놓고
Right,
시비 걸기로
right. Now you
작정했냐?
are skipping past
내가-
the pleasantries and going straight into personal insults. Yeah.
아니 오해가 있으신 것 같아요.
Oh, haha, I think you took my words the wrong way. Hong Lu is far from the most talkative singer, but when he does speak, he really has something insightful to say. Though, since he never says it in a way that is immediately obvious, his words are very prone to misunderstandings.
저희는 모두
In a
가난해요.
way, we are all
그러니
deprived,
예전과는 많은 게 달라졌을
and that
거예요.
can change a lot of things. Maybe there are
어쩌면
things that we can
가진 게
understand
아무것도
only
없을
when we
때가
are left with
되어서야
nothing.
가난하여서
That
이렇게
poverty has
구릿구릿한
turned our
색깔을
curly
계속
unsightly
가지고
lack of
다녀야 하는 거요?
colorfulness. It can be seen like that. Okay. Then Kusat looked mournfully at everything around her, then at herself. She sounded like she was about to cry. Everything had been drained of color since the moment we entered Teacup through the back streets. I mean, Teacup is the one that impossible for this color. It feels like even more, it's like pollution, color pollution. It feels like even more of our colors have been taken away since
그
then.
얘기 언제 하나 했어?
I was wondering when we bring that up,
대체 언제까지 이런 색깔로 다녀야 하는 거야?
maybe we get our colors back
나는
soon.
생각을 한 게 불과
So I
10시간
thought,
전인데
like 10 hours ago.
가도 원상복귀가 되지 않잖아. 이대로 평생 칙칙하게만 살아야 하는 거야?
We're gonna be
이러면
colorless
시력도
forever.
떨어져.
We're gonna be
살아갈 의지가
stuck in
없어지게
this gloomy
된다고.
pool for the rest of our life. Seriously, nothing looks tasty in this sepia pool. I'm starting to lose even my way to look.
고기를 먹어도 고기가 상한 걸로밖에 안 보인다고.
Everything's in that sickly brown pool. Guys, even meat looks downright rotten in this color.
갑자기 너무 건너뛴 것 같지
There's a
않아?
bit of an overreaction, Iriji.
그리고 저 사람들은
Oh, and what about those guys?
색깔이
They've got
보이고
color in their
있잖아.
clothes. With an annoyed look, Oya gestured toward the people outside the bus.
개개인분들께 해드린 답변을
Is
합치면
sufficient?
23번째 답변이긴 합니다만 색깔을 돌려받으려면 그에 준하는 돈을 지불해야 합니다.
Wait, so there's actually a color? There's a people with a color clothes. A sufficient amount of payment must be made in order to retrieve your colors. It must be emphasized that this question has been repeatedly answered on 23 separate occasions.
저 정도로 색깔을
So that
돌려받은 거면
actually you can get the
코트에
color
바지에
actually, but it costs some money. It costs payment. Well, let me have a gander. His coat, his trousers.
저 새끼는 별로 잘 살지도
That bloke's
못하면서
not
허세만
even
있는
that
놈이야.
loaded. He is only
진짜
trying to come
부자들은
off as though he is
안경테나
real top.
장신감까지
Spare
색깔을
no cash to
되찾거든.
get every single color back. Even to their trivial trinkets like the rims of their glasses.
히스클리프 씨도 이곳에 살고 있을 동안은 계속 색을
Did you
보지
also
못한
have to live
상태였나요?
without color when you live here?
아니, 저택은 어느 정도 예외였어.
No, the manor had
그래도
some color, yeah.
여전히 색이
Though it
꾸린
was still
곳이긴
far from vibrant.
동의.
Agreed,
코리아.
this is the color of
피해
shit.
색정도
Bloodshot has
되찾았으면
remained red.
싶군.
그런데 저 자식 말이야.
The
저렇게
poor
어설프게
soul's
색깔을
going
가진
to
채로
get himself
쏘다니면
jumped wondering
괜히
what
뒤통수 얻어맞기
it that
딱일
look.
텐데.
There's just enough color to invite the bandits, but not enough to keep them away. The cliff The Heathcliff prediction came true soon enough. Several thieves surrounded the bloke who is only trying to come off as though he's loaded and bashed him on the back of his head.
저런 극악무도 파렴치한 자들을 보았나?
A bunch of shameless villains they are,
혼자 다니는 무고한 시민을
preying on a
단체로
weak
핍박하고 있지
civilian like
않나?
a pack of hyenas.
갱단이라고
A day
부르는
what you
분들인가요?
would call a gang.
물이 흐려졌군.
The gangs of
저런
people
걸
have
갱단이라고
lived in
부를
better
수도
days.
없고
I would have even called them
시간을
a
못
gang.
채운 하루
They are
인생
just
든 거지.
low life running up time.
내가 떠나올 때만 해도
The last time I was
저런
here,
버러지
scum
같은
like
것들은
them
저렇게
would even
버젓이
dare to infest
돌아다니지도
the streets
않았어.
so brazenly. They are gangs that aren't coming. They
당연하지.
are gangs that
내가
aren't
있었던
coming.
갱단은
course,
저런
the
식으로
gang I was
만만한 놈한테 우르르
You would
몰려가지
never
않았다고.
dogpile on some poor unarmed bloke like that.
하루 쌩쌩 달리고 싶어.
Also, the gang are
길이 막혀서
stealing the
부릉부릉
color clothes.
못해.
Karen wants to room, cannot room with a roadblock.
여기서
Well,
시간을
there isn't much
지체하는
point in
것도
waiting for the
의미가
situation
없지.
to resolve itself. Regular finally spoke up after quietly listening on our discussions for the last few minutes.
돈키호테가
Take
시끄럽게
care of them
굴기
for
전에
don't quit out.
내려서
불로 정화하고 깨끗한 세계를 세우라.
뭐야? 이놈은 우리가 먼저 찜했어. 너희도
예.
시간이 부족해서 온 놈들인가 본데. 우리는
Yeah,
고작
away,
30분밖에
yeah,
안
this
남았다고.
is 1 hours. Looks like you lot are running low on time as well. Tough luck, we have only got 30 minutes ourselves.
혹시
Oi,
배치 같은 갱단
maybe
중인 거
they
아닐까?
are one of the dead rabbits or something. Secretly cop gangster.
30분? 시간?
30 minutes
무슨
on
소리야?
for what?
리가.
Impossible, the old dead rabbit and their vigilante race are no more.
회사가
All they
마스크
do nowadays
팽한
is
눈으로
staring
그냥
at your
노려보기만
honey
할
from
뿐이니까.
behind this old mask.
뭐? 마스크?
Mask?
지금 뭐라고?
What are you?
에이, 가뜩이나 시간 없어
Warlock,
죽겠는데
we don't
진짜.
got time for this.
후딱후딱 해치워주마.
Let's kill them quick. They began rushing at us with bloodshot eyes, not giving Heathcliff time to even finish his sentence. But to be honest, I don't understand what they're talking about. Maybe they are one of the dead rabbits or something. It's like you lot are running low on time as well. Tough luck, we only get 30 minutes ourselves. Yeah, this seems to be in a hurry. 30 minutes for what? The old dead rabbits and their vigilante ways are no more. All they do nowadays is staring at your funny from behind this wood mask.
정화.
기대해라.
꿰뚫려라.
꿰뚫리고
다 죽어라.
그래, 그렇게 시원하게 처리하니 보는 맛이 나는군. 이 처리는 마르게 하는 편이 덜 답답한 법이지. 단순해서 좋군 9번 수감자.
불길 속으로
물론 좋은
그
성과를
오늘을
갖고 돌아온다.
다 죽어라.
그간의 전투 경험이 쓸모가 없지 않았군요. 적합한 조치였습니다.
엎드리도록 너희의 무기로 이 혈투를 승리로 이끌겠다.
고귀하게. 불개서
아유산초 경연주가 찢겨라.
이 또한 용서할
피를
기원을 갖지는 않고 그대로 무너져라.
정화. 불개서 흙으로.
Yes, just put him.
다 죽어라.
피가 잔뜩 흘러넘치고 있고 한 방울이라도 괜찮으니까 나.
불로 정화하고 깨끗한 세계를 세우라.
야, 너
Apa
너
ni?
멋진데? 어디서 샀냐?
Nasihat you have got there. Where you get it?
잘못했습니다. 다 가져가세요. 제 시계에서 원하시는 만큼 시간을 빼가셔도 됩니다.
I'm sorry. Please take everything. Take as much time as you want. Here is my watch.
클리프군.
The head clip. Wait, what? Why? The clip was looming over the man and growling threateningly. He certainly fit the look of a villain from this particular angle.
야, 방금 건 그냥 칭찬한 거잖아. 이놈이 유독 오버해서 반응하는 거라고.
Last, I was just complimenting him for his sharp fashion choices. The lad's overreacting.
저는 이것 빼고는 완전 아무것도
This
없어요.
is literally everything I have. I don't got any money for ransom, even if you were to kidnap me.
납치는 안 됩니다. 집에 기다리는
But
가족들이
please
있어요.
don't kidnap me. I've got family. They are all waiting for me to come home. The man we inadvertently saved from the hands of thieves was shuddering and screaming incoherently, almost to an unnatural degree. And we were still not out of the dark alleyways where other thieves might be waiting to get the jump on us.
아이씨, 무슨 시끄러운 소리가.
Overdue T-pop gang. The hell is this racket? Or
이것들 뭐야?
where?
이렇게
What
시간이
do you have
불러
here?
들어온다고?
I think I'm seeing lots of times rolling in right before us.
10분 아니 5분이라도
10
좋으니까.
minutes. No, we take 5 minutes too. Hand it over now.
도대체가
이놈이고 저놈이고 왜 다들 시간 타령인
What the
거야?
hell is every fella was here so obsessed with time?
아니면 모조리
If you won't get it up willingly, we have to kill you all and take the clock for ourselves. Huh? Clock? Wait, me?
위에서 당신을 관리자로
정화!
정한 데에는 합당한 이유가 있겠지. 기대하고 있겠습니다, 단테.
깨어라.
그래, 그렇게 시원하게 처리하니 보는 맛이 나는군. 그간의 전투 경험이 쓸모가 없진 않았군요, 단테.
고귀하게.
적합한 쫓아주거라. 필은 영원히 잠들어.
답이 찾았나? 따뜻한 쏟아내. 무기를
제가
만드는
괜히
것만
먹을 것들을
내가
사들고
어부이보다
오는
뛰어나지.
것이 아닙니다,
그쪽도
단테.
죄인인가?
산초류 경을 오이
보수적인
라샹.
효과를 기대했었죠.
끝을 낼 시간이다.
필은
This guy caused tremor. Oh, so... Right, so the enemy used tremor.
떨거지는 잘라낸다. 기대해라. 따뜻한 쏟아내라.
맑게서 네 피부에서 흙으로.
너
You
쳐라.
are quiet or you attract even more of them to us.
당장 안 닥치면
Shut your
사람
cock
먹는
right
버스로
now
끌고
or
온
we
다음에
feed you the meat in the
저
back to our
덩어리한테 먹이는 수가
back at
있다.
our rickety cannibal bus. Is that clear?
그러면
That then
저를 납치하러 온 사람들이
you are not here to kidnap me.
그래.
No, for the I don't even know how many times we have told you.
그럴 리가 없지 않소.
Of course not,
우리의
indeed.
우연히 지나가는 정의로운
Or
리본.
we are the limber justice. She's trying so hard to not to see it.
아니 나그네들이었어.
The passers-by
여기는
of
히스클리프
justice
그림, 말투가
Cliff
조금
can be rather
괴팍해요.
brutish in his manner of speech. That is all.
그렇군요.
The right passers-by of justice.
그런데 왜
So why are they
아니라
asking us for
시간을
time,
달라고
not
하는
money?
거죠?
시간도 사고 팔 수 있는 걸까?
So they asking the time like it was like money. Maybe time is just another commodity to be sold and bought here.
기사 가이드북
Guys, is it just me again? The teacup
아직도?
pamphlet guide. Did no one really? Ismail's eyes start to glaze over. Once again, she may have been the only sinner who bothered to read up on our destination.
기사
Inticorp, also known as Time Track
사에서는
Corporation, Time Track Corporation, T-Corp,
시계를
is citizenry utilize timepieces
이들이
as
지니고 있는
personal
시계를 통하여
identification.
화폐
They all
대신에
paid with time
시간을
instead of
거래하기도
physical
하고,
currency. Their means
대부분의
of
근로자는
transaction done
노동에
via
대한
the
보상을
timepiece they
시간으로
carry.
지급받지.
Most laborers in these lands are rewarded for their efforts with time.
이상
Thanks
씨를
for the
봐서
explanation, Isang.
이번엔 넘어가죠.
Other is like this time. So, is this going to be a problem? Artist is the only one of us who carries a watch.
아, 그 시간이 멈춰 있는 손목시계
Oh, you
말씀이죠?
mean her broken
패션용으로 착용하고
wristwatch?
있는-
I always thought that wearing a stopwatch was a neat fashion statement.
패션용인 적은 없었다.
It's not, it is
무례한
not a
말.
fashion item. It never was. How insolent of you to assume. So the watch
그리고
begini
아까 말한 납치라는
Like,
건
I have been
무슨
meaning to
뜻이었어?
ask, what got you so freaked out about kidnapping earlier?
T사
Oh,
길거리에
there is a petty
사람들이
scary rumor of
마구잡이로
indiscriminate
납치당한다는
kidnappings
흉흉한 소문이
going
돌고
around the
있었어요.
T-Corp streets.
이젠
These
아무도 다니지
are
않는
abandoned
거리인데
streets, so when I
이렇게
saw
때로
dozens
다니시니
of two people running around together,
납치조직인가
I
해서
was scared that you guys might be the infamous kidnapping syndicate or something.
구체적으로 말해보도록.
We need more
육하원칙을
details. I
활용하면
wonder
더 좋고.
who, when, where, and what, how, and why. Proceed. People have been
실종자들
going missing
때문이에요.
around here. This
최근
she
들어
kind of became
이곳에서
the last
사람들이
notification
이유
for
없이
a bunch of missing
행방불명된다고
people.
해요.
And one becomes a
이젠
shocking
다들
during the
안개가
40 days
자욱해지기만
because
해도
they don't want to
무서워서
get
집에만
kidnapped.
박혀 있죠. 마침 여기 굴러다니고 있는
Look, it is
티타임즈
even on the
신문지
front
일면에도
page
쓰여
of this
있네요.
Tea Times newspaper here. Mysterious
어린
kidnapping
모종의
fears
납치
it
사건,
is not even a single
충격,
body found.
흉악,
I can
공포.
keep reading if you want.
시체조차 한 군도 발견되지 않아.
Mirsa Roya and the Gusok began enthusiastically reading the sensationalized titles and the attached articles on the newspaper he showed us. I got to check out that award-winning eatery. It is not so far from where we are.
시간에서
So
해결사들이
the time
이런
retrievers
인터뷰를
have said as such in this interview. Are you guys even reading the same article?
확실히
That's right.
평소보다
There is a lot
지나다니는
less people
인간들이
around here
훨씬
than I remember.
줄어들었어. 여기는 원래
The street
공장으로
used to
일하러
be
가는
packed with
노동자나
workers headed
조잡한장들의
to
팔로
their
나온
factory
발명가들
jobs and
뿐이란
went to
말이야.
selling their useless
이렇게
trinkets.
거리가 텅텅
It
비었던
is never
적은
been this
없어.
empty. This empty street of T-Corp was thick with fog. The bustling crowd from her cave memories nowhere to be seen. Maybe the lack of color made the fog appear even thicker.
일전
This
검계와의
reminds me
소동에서
of the
들었던
kidnapping
괴담.
rumor we
흡사한
heard
이야기인 것
when we were working on the Bloodline District.
행방불명이라. 역시 사람을
Missing
납치해서
people, maybe
팔아넘기는
there
악질적인 조직이
really
있는
is a
걸까요?
mess of kidnapping, human trafficking syndicate roaming this area.
그런 놈들이 대놓고 활보한다는 이야기는 못 들었는데
I've never heard of such syndicate
적어도
strutting
내가
about this
있었을
place back when I lived here, at least.
인신매매 따위가
It is
목적인
a
조직이 있다면
statistical impossibility
하나도
for a
남을
human
수밖에 없다.
trafficking syndicate to leave zero evidence behind. There is bound to be one or two they let slip between their their
거리를
fingers.
이렇게 만들 정도로 거대한
Especially if their
움직임이면
syndicate
더더욱
is so
시체 한
prolific
정도는
to the point
작게
of
말입니다.
indirectly discouraging the public from leaving their homes. A body or two will invariably be found.
시체도 남지 않는다는 건
If they really didn't leave
단지
any bodies,
죽거나
then
죽이는
maybe it
정도의
is worse than
내용이
just
아닌
your usual murders.
깊이 파고들수록
Maybe
위험한
if we
일일 수
more
있다는
dangerous, the
건가요?
more we look to it. If it is not just another violent tragedy, then maybe there is more to this than we think. Maybe there is some powerful organization pulling the string.
아니,
You know, there is a lot of
실체만으로는 그렇게
conjecture
보기 힘들지
made
않나?
just from the fact that nobody's have been found.
네?
Sorry.
뒷골목에 밤이 있잖아.
Guys, the night in the back
그
street.
청소부들이
A single
지나가면
sweep from the
시체를 포함한
sweepers leave
쓰레기들은
nothing
전부
behind.
청소되어 있으니까.
Every trash in the back streets, including corpses, is completely cleaned up.
그렇군. 시체까지 말끔하게 치워버릴 수도 있겠네.
Right, they clean up even the corpses, yeah.
당연히 쓰레기만 청소하는
But
게
it's
아니라는
kinda
건
scary that
무서운
they clean up
일이지만
more than just trash. Yeah, the idea of sweepers really freaked Sinclair out for a while. That's because Roya kept making funny noises and sweeper impressions at me every night. So the sweepers are the guy that clean up the place, including corpses.
피가 잔뜩 흘러 넘치고 있고
Later.
아니 한 방울이라도 괜찮으니까 내게 줘. 어머니께서 여기서 자르신다 해도
안 데낀 거리에서 일어나는 미스터리 실종 사건이라
A mysterious case of missing persons in a street shrouded in thick navy fog.
무슨
It is
괴담
almost
같네요.
as if we are in the middle of some
무서운
scary
건
urban
아니고요.
legend. Not that I'm scared, not at all.
억지로 웃지 않아도 돼.
Don't force yourself to laugh, Sinclair.
불길하네. 첫 판부터 주눅 드는 기세로
I don't
가면
like this
좋지
at all.
않은데.
Why are these cats so soon after entering the nest? Everyone seems to be on edge thanks to the unsettling story we heard earlier. I know what to do. Hey, Headcliffe, that invitation, can you read it out loud for us again? It'd be a good idea to remind ourselves of our current mission. Besides, I could use a refresher myself.
그까지 추댔잖아.
It is just an invitation. There ain't anything special about it. The neatly folded invitation Heathcliff produced from his pocket completely betrayed his attempt at appearing aloof. It was folded with such tender care that it almost resembled a neat paper craft. He cleared his throat. Sometime later,
부디 참석하시어
please
이
honor this
자리를
occasion with
빛내주시면
your presence.
감사하겠습니다. 경의를 담아.
With great respect, Nelly.
그리고
And
아이씨,
Bolos.
꼭 와야 해 있어.
You have to be
기다리고
here.
있을게.
I'll be waiting. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna be a happy thing. I can feel this gonna be depressed. This wasn't exactly what I had in mind when I asked him to read that letter.
여기가 무슨 동네
What are we?
술집이에요?
A party crowd? Some dive bar?
이런 분위기 아니었어?
Oh, that wasn't what we were going for.
내가 이럴 줄 알았지.
I knew that this
하늘
would happen.
기분도 안 나.
I ain't even mad.
애초에 기다린다고
Instead,
했을
all she said
뿐이지
is that she'd be
만나고
waiting.
싶다고 한 거.
He never said she missed me or wanted to see me.
아니, 그래도 말이야. 이
Come on, but just
보면은
look at the way she wrote it here.
어디?
Let me see. Some seniors gather in a circle like they are doing a literary analysis of the invitation letter. Maybe I was worrying too much.
꼭 연애 편지 처음
They
받아보는
are like
학생들
school
같네요.
kids opening their first love letters.
뭐야? 싱클레어는
Were
저런
you
거에 관심
never ever
없었어?
interested in those things, Sinclair?
저는 열심히
I
공부만
was
했어요.
a good diligent student. The only thing is I would ever cared about were my textbooks and the school lectures.
싱클레어군 또다시 얼굴이 붉어지고
Sinclair,
있어.
thy countenance appeared to be turning again.
체질이라고 지난번에
The last time I
말했잖아요.
said it is genetics.
그럼 단테는?
What about you, Dante?
아니다.
Oh, never mind. Hey, why is with that oddly sorry look on your face?
안타까울 필요는 없다. 세상엔 많은 취향이 존재하고 있으니.
The manager has no need for your sympathy. I'm certain that there are those who appreciate their unique appearance.
그런데 이상하지
It's not.
히스클리프 씨가 연애 편지를
But there's someone
받는데요.
actually wrote a clip earlier later.
이상 씨 그런
Oh my,
말은 좀
Isang, that is
너무하네요.
such a rude thing to say.
아니 그런 무례한 말을
No, I have no intention of relaying such crass sentiments to I.
농담이에요, 농담.
Just kidding,
저도
Isang,
이상
just
씨랑
kidding.
같은 걸
I was actually
느꼈으니까요.
thinking the same thing.
티사 어딘가에 있을
These who are
로보토미
not looking
지부가
for
아니라
lobotomy
다
cop
같이
branch
워더링
of
하이츠라는
T-Cop sees
저택으로
by heading to
향한다는
this
건
Wuthering Heights manor instead.
그곳으로
I
도달해야
suppose that
황금
is
가지를
where we
얻을 수
find the
있다는
golden
소리일
ball.
테니까.
정확하게 짚어주었구려.
That was precisely what I had intended to convey, Ismail.
찬물 끼얹는 역할을 하는 것도
Thank you for bringing that up. I was starting
지겨워져서
to get tired of being
입을
the
닫고
bringer of unpleasant
있었는데
news.
우리가 워더링
Hopefully,
하이츠로
none of you are
향하는
under
이유가
the impression that we
설마
are
저
headed to
편지 한
Wuthering
장
Heights
때문이라고
just because of some
생각한다면
invitation Cliff received.
큰 실망을
Because
느꼈을
if you
거다.
are, you'll be sorely disappointed.
그래서 이 문맥을 보면
Right, so
결국
if
하려는
we are
말이
looking at the context he wrote this in, what he's really trying to say here is
그보다는 이 어투를
No,
봐야지.
no, but you got to look at the tone she used here.
뭐 일단
So,
넘어가죠.
Moving on.
LCCB로부터
There was a report from the
황금가지의 관측 보고가
LCCB
있었습니다.
that a golden bow has been hidden.
위치는
They
워더를
narrowed
하이츠
its
전
location
어딘가.
down to somewhere within the Wuthering Heights area,
하지만
but there was a
보안
significant
시스템으로
risk
인해
on account
LCCB 팀이
of the
잠입하는
menace
것은
unique
위험
security
부담이
system
크므로
that prevented the
황금가지의
before
정확한
team from
위치는
conducting their
파악이
on-site
되지
preliminary
못했습니다.
survey. The exact location of the bow is yet to be identified.
특유의 보안 시스템?
Unique security measures.
그런 게
Not sure
있었나?
if I remember anything like that.
그렇다면 더더욱
But then it is even
네.
more odd. No other ways to put it.
이상하다고
동의하오.
Indeed,
비록 황금가지
so I
값어치와
remain
그
ignorant of
위상에
the
대해
monetary
정확히
value
알고
and the
있는
public
것은 아니지만
perceptions of its worth.
평범한 저택
I do
안에
know that the golden
그런
bow
것이
is
놓여
not an
있을 리가
item so
만무할
easily
것 같소.
obtainable that it may be housed in a normal manner.
황금가지가 처음부터 그곳에
It can
위치해
be shared
있었던
that the
것은
golden bow
아니었다.
wasn't always located inside the manor.
T살 로보토미즈부
Then the
어딘가에
golden bow is previous
있었던
location in an
황금가지가
unknown area within the T-Corps
모종의
Cemetery
이유로
Corps branch has
저택으로
been transferred to
옮겨졌다는
the manor
것이고요.
for a reason we are yet to be aware of.
캐서린이라는 인물이 이번 작전의
So
핵심이겠군요.
it's like that. The golden bow are transported to the manor. Right, then this category person will be a major part of this operation.
황금가지를 자기
To
저택 안에
have a
소유하고
golden bow
있는
all to
자라니.
herself in that manner.
그리고
And she's got to be
황금가지가
one
아니더라도
confident woman to
히스클리프
confident
씨가
enough to believe that
자신을
the
보러
thief
저택에
will come
와줄
to the
거라고
manor
믿어
just to
의심치
see her
않는
face, even
아주
if it
자신만만한
wasn't for
사람일
the
거고.
golden bow. So is it because is the golden bow is the bait to make them go there? None of these conversations seem to even ever register to a clear purpose.
혹시 주위에 이발소나 양품점이
Oh, let me
보이면
know if you
말해줘.
see a barber shop or a barber nearby.
무슨 명소마다
This
멈춰서는
isn't a tour bus actually. We will not make unnecessary stops like the ones you suggest.
그냥 나를 내려주고 먼저 가도 되잖아.
Right, I get
따라갈
it.
수 있어.
Then why don't you just leave me behind and go on ahead? Take a shop.
제가 두 눈 커다랗게 뜨고
So,
계속 보고 있는데
Hercule,
말이죠.
I've been watching
히스클리프
these
씨.
shops very closely,
아까의 그 소문
but
때문인지는
I haven't
몰라도
noticed a
이
single
시간에
offline shop.
길거리에
It might
열려
be
있는 가게가
because
보이지
of the
않아요.
rumors from earlier
안개가
and the
자욱해서
fog.
더 그런가 싶기도 하네요. 역시 저랑
Why don't you
로자 씨한테
just leave
맡겨보시는
it
게
to us,
제일
Roya and I?
아이씨, 야 잠깐.
Oh no, I accidentally clicked that one. I want to check the log. Oh no. I need to get back to the part.
안개 낀 거리에서 일어나는 미스터리
Right.
실종 사건이라
Yeah, I cannot jump. So that one was the end of it. I see.
무슨
억지.
불길하네.
부디 경위를
그리고
아이 꼭 애초에
아니
어디
So
뭐야?
it was not escape. It was just near to the
안타까울 그런데
히스클리프
아니
농담.
Yeah, but actually I want to
그곳으로
look into
정확한
the
그래서
log.
뭐
LCCB 위치는 하지만
특유의
그렇다.
동의하 평범한
황금가지
T살
캐서린 황금가 그리고
혹시 주위에 이발소나 양품점이 보이면
무슨 명소마다
그냥 나를 내려주고 먼저 가도 되잖아. 뒤따라
제가 두 눈 커다랗게 뜨고 계속 보고 있는 아까의 그 소문 때문인지는 몰라도 이 시간에 길거리에 열려 있는 가게가 역시 저랑 로자 씨한테 맡겨보시는 게 제일
If they gonna leave it to Roya and Honglu, it will be
야, 잠깐!
different. Alright. The bus emerged from the back streets into a rather quiet-looking village. The fog was still thick, everything was still in that faded cool. Even the occasional sightings of pedestrians that sees the very idea of color variation seemed like an alien concept here. All I see are orange cold lights coming through the windows of misty grey buildings. It was as though everyone decided to stay indoors for the day. I cannot even tell where we are or how close we are from our destination anymore. Have you been here by any chance, Isang? He was the only other senior who has spent a while in Teacup, so I decided to ask if he recognized anything, but it was evident that the scenery was unfamiliar to him.
나는 최대한 사람들의 눈을 끌지 않으며 연구와 생업에 몰두하고자 하였지.
Though I have resided here for some time,
그리
most of
자유로이
my
오가지
hours were
못했소.
spent earning a living and conducting my research when I could afford to do so. Thus, I have not ventured freely the streets of Teacup. I cannot imagine doing my research at a place like this cannot have been easy.
익숙해지면 괜찮소.
It is quite manageable once one
오히려
grows accustomed
이곳에서 나고 자란 이들에겐
monochromatic
색이
sight.
있다는 것이
The presence
신기한
of
것이지.
various in color itself is a concept alien to those who are born and raised in this land.
그리고 나는
And I had shoulders of
기댈
tools
수
that I
있는
could
자들이 있었네.
lean on even for a fleeting moment. It
낯선
helps
곳에
to have
적응하는데
such
꽤
support
많은
when
도움이
acclimating
되지.
to a place as foreign as this. There you had hours. Yisang looks away to a place far beyond from here, memories of his past, most likely. Did you ever hear
시사의
anything about
특이점이
what
어떤
of
것인지에
singularities?
대해선
그곳에 대해서
As all singularities are,
특이점이
its
의뢰
true nature, its
나도
mechanisms
뭐라
and
정확히
functions are all
추론할 수는
something of
없는
an
작동
enigma,
원리를 안에
yeah?
맡겼어.
Yisang paused and carefully began to speak.
시간과
I'm
관련이
aware
되어 있다는
is that
것만은
it has
알고
all to
있었어.
do with time, though I am
정확히
unsure of
어떠한
its
시간을
use.
이 또한
Well, I
부질없는
suppose
추측이며
all this is
답은
but meaningless
파우스트양만이
conjecture,
알길
and only
수만.
Miss Faust among us must be aware of the answer.
Tisa가 거주자들로부터
Its singularity
끊임없이
is one
색을
of the reasons
빼앗아가는 이유 중
Teacup
하나죠.
constantly drains color from its inhabitants.
그게 색이랑 무슨
What's
상관인데?
time got to do with color?
시간을 필연적으로
If the
제어해야 하는
control of time
것이라면
is so imperative
빛과 연관이
because
있는
oppression,
영역일 것이며
then they must also control the realm of light.
빛은
As
또한
light
색과도 밀접한
inherently has
관련이
much to
있으니
do with the spectrum of
종국에는
colors,
색과 얽히게 되는 것입니다.
these two subjects immediately overlap.
제가 알고 있는 시간에 대해서까진
That is
추론이
as far as I could
가능했습니다만
deduce regarding the concept of
파우스트가
time
가진
that I am aware of.
티사의
Yet
특이점과
it must
관련된
also be
지식에
said that it takes time for
접근하기까지는
me to reach Faust's
저에게
specific
아직은 시간이 걸린다는
specific
말도
knowledge regarding
덧붙여야겠군요.
Teacup's singularity. Faust known among us for her home baby and perhaps rarely even ever give us answers with this detail. Then now is the time to ask her all my questions.
파우스트양, 시간이라면
Miss Faust, as we discuss the subject of time,
티사에 관한 이야기는
indeed it will be safe
여기까지
for
하는
us to
편이
move on
안전하겠군요.
from the subject of Teacup at this time.
또 말해줄 것처럼 하다가 입을
There she goes
닫아버렸네.
again, teasing us with stuff she's not going to tell us anyway. Well, I guess I should be glad that she decided to tell us this much. I doubt she tell us more no matter how much we try.
그런데 좀
아,
씁쓸하네요.
Hi. Hey buddy, great stream. The Wabby stream, cannot wait for the next one. Let's connect on Discord for free. I try adding you for Discord later. Welcome. Just kind of sad.
특이점으로 인해서 평생 색을 모른 채로 살아가는 사람들도 있다는
There
거잖아요.
are people who've never seen color their whole life. But actually, I had Discord server if you want to join. Maybe you can check my Discord user. All because of this singularity.
뭐 다 그런 거지. 우리도 어쩌면 지금 다른
Well,
사람이
that's
볼
just how
때
it
뭣도
goes,
모르고
isn't
사는
it?
불쌍한
In the
사람일
eyes
수도
of a stranger,
있으니까.
we be just another one of those poor miserable people who's never seen color.
뭐가 되었든 고기 맛을 한번 본 적이 있다는 게 무서운 거야.
There is a
평생
danger in
모르고
trying
사는 좋을
your very
텐데.
first bite of the meat. You taste it
기어코
once
고기 맛을
and you
보면
never
알기 전으로 돌아가기는
know
불가능하니까.
the flavor, and in the end you start to wish you never tried it.
햇빛의 색깔까지 보이지 않는 건
It is pretty
아쉽네.
disappointing that even the sun loses its vibrancy here.
하늘의 색이 그리워질 때는
Of
많았어.
OST, did I long to see the colors of the
양계가
sky,
나올 때는
especially the sky that looms over a light shower of rain.
그래, 그런 것들도
Yeah, things like the color of the
각자
sky
알던
too.
하늘의
You
색이
long to see it
있었으니까
only
꼭
because you have
그리워지게
seen its
되는 거지.
beauty. If you were born here,
처음부터
never to
이곳의
accept
하늘만
its
보고
borders
살다
to the last
죽는다면
notice.
그건 불행도 아닐 거야.
Without ever seeing the blue sky, then I hardly call that miserable.
그것까지 불행하다고 말한다면 오히려 오만한
But
게 되는
calling
거지.
even that miserable is nothing but sheltered arrogance.
그렇게 생각할 수도 있겠네요.
I guess that could also be true. The atmosphere in the bus suddenly became incredibly frosty.
그거 해보자.
Oh,
가장
yeah.
좋아하는 색깔이
Speaking of
뭔지에
color, I
따라서
got something to
각자
ask you.
성격을 알 수 있다던데.
Have you guys ever heard of the color scheme? Actually, each type of personality has corresponding color. Roya, who was the one to chill in the bus in the first place, also the first to break the ice.
이상이 하늘색을 좋아하는
If Lisa
거라면
enjoys the light blue
어디
color of the
보자.
sky, then let's see.
고요하고 조용한
You
당신,
must be a
생각에
thinker
빠져
and
잠드는 걸
philosopher who
좋아하는군요.
prefers the calm and quiet.
오, 어떻게 하는 것이오?
Oh, how did you come to
그거
know
참
that?
기묘한
That
재주로군.
is quite the remarkable talent you have.
나도 해줘. 나는 말이지 붉은색이 좋소. 아니 노란색. 아니 붉은색? 아니.
So the result is yellow, I guess. I wish my favorite color to be red as well. For sure, I quite fancy the color red. 네, yellow, 네, red, 네.
자 차례를 기다려.
Now
그
wait your turn.
다음에는 파우스트.
Next in the order is Faust.
저는
잠깐.
Wait up,
무슨 말 할지 다
I know
알아.
exactly what you're about to say.
파우스트는
You're about
대체로
to
그런
say
걸 믿지
Faust
않는답니다.
does not put
라고
much belief
하겠지?
in such ideations or something like that, right?
그런 사람은 대체로 흰색을 좋아하더라고. 그렇지? 자기 머리색이랑도 똑같네.
Which is exactly what people who like the color white would say. I'm right, am I? Like, your hair's white too.
그저 말을 아끼겠습니다.
I will not comment further on this subject.
나? 제일 좋아하는
Me, my favorite color.
뭘 그딴 걸 물어봐 남사스럽게.
What a stupid question. Just enough plus.
나는
But I like the pause. A great manner begins to emerge to our view from a distance. I could merely tell that this was the Wuthering Heights manor Heathcliff that mentioned.
검은색.
Hey, he like black. Yes, I mean black are a cool color. I mean for design, but for color for a mood expression, it's black. It's not really.
모든 물감을
나이.
다 섞어버리면 나오는 색 아닌가? 그거.
It's the color you get when you dump an entire set of paint into a bucket in it,
그래서 제일 볼만한 색깔이지.
and that is exactly why I tolerate it.
계속해버리면
Keep
되는
throwing paint over paint, and you get black. Simple. I can clearly hear that Heathcliff is muttering through gritted teeth. I have a feeling that black wasn't always his favorite color. Yeah, we're not sure if that one was just a sarcasm. Two things. This one Wuthering Heights approach. So this is Wuthering Heights. It seems like a Dracula, a haunted mansion. Two things changed the moment the Wuthering Heights manor appeared over the horizon.
거울 있는 사람 없냐? 야, 뭐 아무거나 내놔봐.
Mirror. I need a mirror. Anyone got a mirror? Come on, anyone.
왜 이러시는가, 히스클리프군.
What has gotten into you,
이
Cliff?
거울은
This mirror isn't. One was Heathcliff, who was suddenly overcome with intense anxiety, and the other was the weather that grew dark and tempestuous all of a sudden. What a terrifying noise.
원래 이렇게 날씨가 궂은 곳이었나요?
The weather here always is awful.
바람은 항상 거세게
It was always
몰아치긴 했어.
this windy,
거의
yeah, almost like a
수준이었지.
constant tempest.
하지만 이런 천둥이랑
But this thunder and lightning,
뭐 워더링 하이츠의 날씨는 어느
yeah, I
쪽이
mean,
꾸릿꾸릿했지만
that one was the reason that why it looks like a haunted mansion. Just a thunder and lightning. Well, the weather at Wuthering Heights was always this awful, thunder or not.
멀리서만 봐도
That really is one massive
저택이
manor
정말
if it
크네요.
looks that big from this far away.
침침한 눈의 카론.
The
침침하게
Charon cannot see well. Not sure if this is the right place, but we are here.
번개가 번쩍번쩍.
Lightning goes boom, ice go out. This manor looked as though it came straight out of a dark gothic tale full of mysteries. I was half expecting to hear a hunting cry echoing from its windows. So, are we just waiting for Regulus to go off the bus again?
안 그런 적이 없지 않았나?
When hadn't that been the case, Manager Bud?
그래도
I
지금까지는
mean, it is
지부거나
not like we're digging
회사였잖아요.
into a lobotomy
이번에는
cup.
그냥 저택일 뿐인데.
Branch or I mean it is not like we're digging into a lobotomy cop branch or entering one of the wings, right? It is just a manor, so I don't see what's stopping him from coming with us.
자, 내리지.
Now, off the bus,
나와 카루는
Karen and I
이번에도 밖에서 기다리고 있겠다고?
will wait outside until we are done with our mission. I guess Regulus and Karen will join us, probably. None of the seniors were hiding their dissatisfaction with Regulus. Some of them were even standing with their arms crossed.
다들 표정을 보아하니 단체로 할 말이라도 있는 듯한 모양새군.
By the looks on your faces, clearly you all collectively have something to say. By the looks on your faces, clearly you all collectively have something to say.
본인은 아닐세. 아이 감히. 아무튼 아무 생각도 하지 않았네.
Of course not. I would hardly ever dare to challenge tea. Well, maybe not every sinner. We have gone through a lot of things, survived various trials and tribulations. We have gone through a lot of things, survived various trials and tribulations that could have been easily handled had Regulus been there with us.
베르길리우스,
Regulus, looks like Ishmael decided to step up as our representative.
처음에 길잡이라고 우리에게 소개하지 않았나요?
You introduced yourself to us as our guide, didn't you?
그런데 길잡이는커녕 매번 작전마다 우리를 출발선에 내려두고 카론 씨랑 무엇을 하러 다니는 건데요?
So what kind of guide just tosses everyone at the start of the journey and goes off on their own with the bus driver? Where are you guys even going? They are complaining
쓸데없이 짜증 부리는 게
Regulus didn't do
아니라고요.
anything.
이 점은 확실히 하죠.
I want to make it clear that I'm not being a hard ass for no good reason.
저는 당신을 신뢰하고 싶으니까 물어보는 거예요.
I'm asking you because I want to trust you.
같은 부서의 동료라면 적어도 업무 간
That all
행선지
who are
정도는
technically
공유하자고요.
all in the same boat, who are co-workers, I say the least you could do is to tell us where we are headed. Regulus held his silence for a moment. His brows were not as furrowed as they usually are. Which was the only indicator to me that he wasn't as offended to hear this as I thought he'd be.
너희가 특정 계약을 통해 이곳에 입사를 한 것처럼
Just like you seniors who joined this company via your individual
나
contract.
역시도 어떤 조건이 적혀 있는 계약서를 통해 이곳에
I also signed
입사했지.
a contract with specific clauses and conditions I must abide by.
뭐이? 특색나리께서도 계약서를 썼다는 말인 겐가?
The company Métis, the color most illustrations, signed a contract as well. The color most illustrious signed a contract as well.
당연하지 않나.
Of course I did.
내가
Why would I
아무
be
손익 계산
babysitting
없이
you children
이
on this
버스에서
bus otherwise?
잘부지들을
I
통솔하고
am not
있겠나.
one to work for free.
자세한 계약의
I don't want to
내용까지
bother detailing
너에게
each and
말해줄
every clause of my
생각도
contract to
없고
you. Nor should I.
언급해서도 안 되겠지만 이스마엘,
But Ishmael, I quite like it that you used the word trust
제법
in your
마음에
speech.
들었다.
So I believe that you
그러니
deserve at least
간단하게만 언급해두지.
a brief explanation.
나는 황금가지를 직접 회수해서도 직접적인 도움을 제공해서도 안 된다.
I am not
오로지
supposed to
여기 있는 관리자
retrieve
그리고
the
너희
golden bow myself, nor
수감자들에게
am I allowed to provide you
맡겨야만
with
하지.
any direct support. The contract stipulates that I must leave everything to the manager and the seniors.
왜?
Oh, so
그건
the yeah, actually done so regulars cannot help them. With retrieving the golden bow. Why? The hell would you sign a contract like that?
언제나 왜냐고
As always,
묻는
it is
것은
meaningless to
의미가
ask me
없다.
why.
계약이란 건 당사자가 아닌 자들이 완전하게 이해할 수 없는
Contracts are
형태로
rarely ever fully
이루어지니.
understood by those that are not a part of it.
다만
But
목적지에 도착해서
what I can tell you is that
너희들
when I ask you
버스에서
seniors to
내리라고
leave this
말을
bus
할
for a mission,
때 그래도 마음을 어느
I
정도
suppose in a
놓고
way
보낼 수 있게
I
되었다고는
say it with a lighter
말할 수
heart
있겠군.
than I used to.
모든 것을 얻어내겠다는
I'm no
욕심은
longer concerned that in my desire to fulfill the conditions for every clause
관리자가
in my
돌이킬
contract,
수 없는 지경으로 가게 되어 다 잃지는 않을까
the manager
하는
might be
고민은
irreversibly.
들었지.
I'm no longer concerned that in my desire to fulfill the conditions for every clause in my contract, the manager might be irreversibly hurt. I would be left with nothing if such a thing were to happen. Oh, so actually, manager should be away from this from the danger. Did he just admit to trusting us more than he used to?
단테, 그런 말은 굳이 한 번 더 물어보지 않는
Don't
편이
make
좋아.
him repeat something like that,
특히
Dante.
누군가 속마음을
Especially
어렵게
when
겨우
someone went
표현했을
through the
때는.
trouble of expressing their true video feeling.
그리고
잠깐만.
Besides, Will,
이대로 내릴 수는 없어.
I am not going in there like this.
안 되겠어. 다시
No,
돌아가자.
I
유턴하면
cannot do this.
되잖아.
Oi, turn the bus around.
내 피해는 유턴 없어.
Maybe doesn't do U-turns.
이런 꼴로 어떻게 다시 저택에 돌아가는 거야?
I am going back to the menu in this Winkley, right? Oh yeah, right. Every single one of our elaborate plans to dress him up in fancy clothes fell through. Hey, you don't look that bad.
이런 꼬라지로 가면 또다시 그
If I go
새끼들.
back in just rags, those bastards
그
will.
새끼들이 누군데요?
Those bastards. What they?
있어. 옛날부터 나만 보면 하나라도 흠잡을 구석 없는지 누나를 굴려대는.
Bastards that always eye me up and down, trying to find a speck of dust, a single flaw, something to latch onto just to humiliate me.
눈깔 다 내버려.
Then gosh out their eyes.
재치 있는
Oh,
발상.
that would be quite the clever solution.
뭔?
What are you even? Looks like Cliff is the only one who is taking this seriously. Oh.
뭔데? 니들은 왜 그렇게 음흉하게 웃어?
Time for makeover. The hell is wrong with the pair of you? Freaking like that.
그럴 줄 알고 우리가 준비를 미리 해왔죠.
Good thing we came prepared exactly for this occasion.
아무리 생각해도 우리 히스가 혼자서 멀끔하게
I
꾸미기
just
힘들 것
couldn't imagine
같아서.
him managing to pull off this makeover on his own.
꽤 전에 로자님과 함께 둥지로 돌아오기 전 뒷골목에서 잠깐 쇼핑을 하다
But Boya
왔답니다.
and I did some shopping in the back street before we entered the nest.
둥지 안에는 뒷골목보다 대단한 게 있을지도 모르니 기다려봤는데
We
뭐
were
살만한
waiting
곳이
to leave
없으니까
just
아쉬운
in
대로
case
사둔 걸
there was
써야지.
anything more impressive in the nest. But thanks to the disappointing lack of anything even remotely interesting, we just make do with what we picked up earlier.
뭐 설마 전에 둘이 어디 갔다
왜?
온다 했을 때
Wait a
아니.
bloody second.
근데 그때 과자만 한 바구니 사왔길래
When the two of you went off on your own, no, all you brought back was a whole basket of cookies, buddy.
과자들은
Those
눈속임이었어,
cookies
히스.
were decoy cookies.
물론 그중 몇 개는 내
Though
일용할
some of
양식으로
them
잘
did end up as
써먹었지만
part of my daily sustenance, of course. Okay.
비록 제가 집에서 썼던
While,
브랜드들까지
while I
찾지는
cannot find the
못했지만
particular brands I use
이만해도
back
어느
home,
정도의
this
멋부림은 낼
should
수
be
있을
more than
거예요.
enough for a proper fashion makeover.
베르, 훈훈한 분위기 이어가게 이번만 눈 좀 감아줘, 응? 유니폼 말이야.
Well, come on, cannot we keep things nice and happy for once? Let him wear something else other than his uniform just for today.
회사 유니폼을 입고 오랜만에 애인을 제외하고 싶은 사람이 어디 있겠어? 그치?
Like, no one wants to meet their old flame while wearing their work clothes, right?
그래도 저 길잡이가 용케도 허락을 해주게.
Well, I doubt the guy ever let anything like that slip.
그러지.
뭐
What?
또 멋대로 작당해서 뒷문을 들락거리는 건 피하고 싶으니
I would prefer it if we didn't have to encourage another rogue incident with the back door.
정말이야? 길잡이!
Seriously, guy. The cliff trembled like he was about to give Regulus a big hug. The cliff trembled like he was about to give Regulus a big
자,
hug.
히스클리프 씨, 이제 눈을 감고
Now, Heathcliff, close your eyes.
무릉도원이라 생각하면서
Relax and let us take
편안하게
care of everything.
몸과
Pretend you
마음을
are
맡기세요.
at the proverbial peach blossom spring.
머리 함부로 그렇게.
Wait, don't touch my hair like.
오,
What?
솜씨가 보통이 아닌데.
Oh, you in half bed? Actually, Hong Lu probably got the feeling.
히스클리프 씨는 지금 단장 중이랍니다.
See, Heathcliff getting a makeover. Sometime later. Wait, what? It is up well.
그 머리에 너무 그 바른 거 아니야?
I think you might have overdone with the hair.
안 돼. 홍루가 얼마나 공들여서 손질해줬는데 그렇게 만지면
Don't touch it. Do you even have any idea how hard Hong Lu worked on that?
들고 있던 몽둥이는 어디 갔죠?
Where his bed
몇
core?
년 만에 재회인데 몽둥이를 들고
It is
만날
a
순
reunion
없잖아.
of the century. We cannot possibly let him say hello to his old flame with a big British club in his hand.
히스클리프 군이
Sir
왠지
Heathcliff
친절해 보이는 것 같소.
appeared a tad more
이를테면
merciful than usual.
아이스크림을 사달라고
Perhaps
하면
he shall
바로
accept my
사줄 것 같은
request should I
느낌이랄까?
implore him to purchase me a pin of ice cream.
그리고 시끄럽게 해도 때리지 않으실 것 같아요.
I think to get tired talking, and he no longer looks like he is on the verge of punching me when I make the smallest noise. He looks less intimidating.
야 부탁하건데
Like, please,
캐서린 앞에서 그런
please
말을
don't bring up
꺼내기라도 하면
anything even remotely like that in front of Catherine.
옷이 날개군. 재회의 후기를 기대하고 있겠어.
Well, I'll be closely to make the man. Do let me know how this union goes. I'll be looking forward to hearing that tale.
그래
So, Heathcliff, I've been meaning to ask this question for a while. I wanted to know the answer, but I couldn't bring myself to ask him. Why you live Wuthering Heights? It is where the love of your life live. Why you live Wuthering Heights? It is where the love of your life live, isn't it? The cliff, who been busily moving about and preparing to leave the bus, suddenly comes to a halt.
뭐든 괜찮았어.
I didn't mind it.
때리는 것도
Slashing the
굽는
starways,
것도
the abuse,
하찮은
them treating
취급을
me like a
받는
servant,
부러워지는
like I'm something beneath them.
들러리
I didn't mind being treated like I'm nothing more than an
참을 수
afterthought,
있었지.
like I'm some impure trash to be discarded.
하지만 캐서린 입에서
But when I heard
그
what
말이
Catherine
나왔어.
said,
내가 저택에
realized that I no
있어야
longer had any reason to remain
그 순간
in that manner.
사라졌어.
The cliff did not elaborate further. Perhaps it wasn't that he didn't, but that he couldn't bring himself to. I didn't dare to ask him what he was about to say, so I simply nodded in response. I see.
오, 카론이 히스 바뀐 모습을 보고 할 말이 있나
Oh,
본데?
looks like Karen's got something to say about your new feet.
있어.
Karen has something to
좀
say.
뒤 발표할 거야.
Something big.
좋아 좋아. 자, 한마디 소감 부탁드립니다.
Great, awesome. Now, Karen, what do you think?
카로는 버터 싫어.
Looks
느끼하단
oily and
말이야.
greasy. Karen doesn't like greasy.
아, 이게 아닌데.
The cliff shocked for a while. Oh, this isn't how I thought it go. Haha. Karen's words must have hit him up. It took quite a bit of convincing for Cliff, who was severely discouraged by Karen's remark, to evade the bus. I mean, people have different preference on the appearance and look. It took quite a bit of convincing for Cliff, who was severely discouraged by Karen's remark, to evade the bus. Right, I think I just streaming 1 hour and yeah, I need to go. Alright, I would like to go now.
왜? 왜? 점심은 뭐 드셨어요? 이딴 말 기대하고
Yeah, so
나왔던 건 아니지?
bye guys. I might be back later playing other games or this one. Yeah, bye.